Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you the easy way to rock your baby. So get yourself a DockATot. I'll leave the link in the description where you can buy it. Put the baby in the DockATot right here. Put it on your legs where you're in the sitting position and simply move your legs side to side. And that's a super easy way to rock your baby. So the baby is gonna be right in the middle, and then you're simply gonna move your legs side to side. And that does not require too much effort for you, and the baby will fall asleep. And here's an example with 35-pound dog. She's already yawning.